Ta-da! Hey, look what I did. I made a tower out of blocks. And look how high I made it. I did it all by myself. I love playing with blocks. And I love making big, tall, beautiful towers out of blocks. So, what do you think? Isn't it terrific?
Chooga, 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 chooga. Oh, whoa! Chooga, chooga,
Oh no, look at that. Elmo and Zoe are playing with that train, and that ramp is headed straight here for my block tower. Why, if they let that train go down the ramp, it'll smash right into my tower and knock it down. Hey, Elmo, Zoe, stop. Hey, didn't you hear me? I said stop. No! Look what you did. You crashed my block tower. Sorry? Sorry? That's all you gotta say is you're sorry? Well, you only just busted up the nicest block tower I've ever made. It's only a block tower. It's only a block tower. Why, it was a big and beautiful block tower, and I worked really hard on it. It took me a long time. I really loved that block tower.
You did?
Yeah, I did. And you busted it. Now I'm really sad and I'm angry too. Yes, I am.
Big Bird, me too. It was an accident. Yeah, when Zoe and Elmo sent the train down the ramp, Zoe and Elmo weren't looking where they were going. Yeah.
I guess I know you didn't do it on purpose. You know, I was just thinking that your train looks very nice. Why, we could build some more tracks for your train out of my blocks.
Oh, yeah. We could ride that train on your track.
Yeah.
And we could make bridges and tunnels. Yeah, and we could ride that train all the way to Oscar's can.
Yeah. Oscar's trash can?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought I smelled something kind of funny. Well, let's take your train and my blocks, and we'll make some more tracks and get those banana peels over to Oscar.
Yeah.
Make way for the Banana Peel Express.
Elmo put both some things together and share.
I'll take my something that you like. You take your something that I like. Then put both things together and share.
Everything for fun. Maybe one something is little.
Maybe one something is bigger. Except to share all my every something with you. Elmo got more somethings than you got.
You got more something than Elmo's got. So what? We're sharing them all equally. Because the best thing we got to share.
The best thing we got to share.
The best thing we got to share.
You and me.
You and me. You and me. Whoa, whoa!
Toot toot.
This is Elmo's train. Elmo has so much fun. But when Elmo and Zoe and Big Bird all play together,
Three is better than one.
even so, Elmo say it again. Even though we are sharing, this is Elmo's train. Here we are.
Yeah, at Oscar's trash can.
Yay! And we did it together.
We sure did.
Hey, buddy, get a license. Excuse me, are you the folks I heard about who have been quiet?
Yeah, that's us.
Elmo pushed the train.
Yeah, and Big Bird built the tracks.
Yeah.
And Zoe did the woo-woo. Woo-woo. And we all took turns wearing the hat.
Yeah, and we all had fun.
And did it together.
Yeah.
Sounds terrific.
Oscar! 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 There he is.
Yeah, what is... Oh, it's you. The two little cheerful monsters and a big yellow turkey.
Hello, Oscar. Hey, Granddaddy.
yeah. Hello. What do you want?
Elmo and Zoe and Big Bird all cooperated to come to see Oscar. Yeah.
You mean you came all this way to tell me how you cooperated? You know grouches hate cooperation and sharing.
Yeah. Well, yeah, Elmo knows that, Oscar. But look. See, we came to bring you these two old banana peels. Yeah. Welcome.
This is incredible. What a day. Not only did Elmo and Zoe learn to cooperate and share, but you actually saw a grouch share today, ladies and gentlemen. You saw a grouch share his banana peels. Wow, this is history.
Hey, what is this? Hey, what's going on?
That's right. Oh, yeah.
At first, Elmo didn't want to share, which made me feel you didn't care, but you gave me something to do. Ah, shucks. I wore the hat and went, whoa! And that was so much better. Yes, that was so much better. When we worked together, it was such a lot of fun.
At first you crashed my tower of blocks,
And you were madder than a fox.
but then you helped me build it back.
Elmo did.
We really got that train on track, and that was so much better.
Yes,
When we worked together, it was such a lot of fun that made it so much better.
and when we learned to carry that pail together.
At first we built our houses three, then I helped you,
And you helped me.
That was such a lot